Suckle, suckle, suckle. Oh, I'm tired. But I'm also hungry, as you can tell.
She was talking just now when she was silent and smiling. So pretty then.
Oh, God bless you.
See, I never put babies on their back. You know why? Because they choke.
Mm.
I always put it on their side.
Yeah.
Oh, look at her yawning.
Oh.